Johnny Depp wanted Amber Heard barefoot and pregnant and at home, her acting coach told the High Court in London as she outlined her growing suspicions that the Pirates of the Caribbean actor was hitting his wife. Depp wins the public. Heard's desperate plan to stop him is revealed. Christina Sexton, Heard's friend and then acting coach, said she had not seen Depp hit, kick, or throw anything at Heard, but she was aware of the volatility of their relationship and had overheard some serious fights while waiting to start her coaching sessions. Heard told Depp wanted her barefoot and pregnant and at home, she said, and that Depp did not like the work his wife was auditioning for, especially any role that was overtly sexual, which he called whore parts, she claimed. Heard became a nervous wreck at auditions because she feared Depp's reaction, Sexton said. At one audition in April 2016, Heard was anxious about reapplying her makeup, she added. It made me think that she was covering a black eye or some sort of bruise, and I asked her directly, "Did it hit you?" Heard said she did not want to talk about it, Sexton said. She had asked if Heard felt safe and if there was anything I could do, she added, but after I pressed her about it, she then admitted that he had hit her. She admitted to me, "Yeah, she pushes me and shows me. He's done some things." Depp is suing the Sun's publisher News Group newspaper and its executive editor Dan Wootton over an article that called him a wife beater and referred to overwhelming evidence that he had attacked her. Depp denies ever hitting Heard, 34, who was submitted details of 14 occasions during her relationship when she claims he assaulted her. Eleanor Laws, QC for Depp, put it to Sexton that Heard did not tell her any allegations about physical violence until after she had announced it to the world in May 2016. Sexton replied that she knew about the emotional issues before, but heard about the physical incidents a few days before they became public. Laws added, "I am going to suggest to you that you have been extremely keen to support Ms. Heard, to stay in her favor." Sexton replied, "Absolutely not. I haven't worked with her for years." Another close friend of Heard's told the High Court she had witnessed the aftermath of Depp's alleged physical attacks on his wife. Raquel Pennington claimed she had seen Heard's forearms scratched and bloody from her wrists to her elbows after the couple returned from Australia. In Los Angeles, she claimed she saw Heard's head bloody, where a chunk of her hair had been ripped out, and that she had a swollen nose and a bleeding lip. Pennington said she called a private nurse and took photographs on her phone. The next day, Heard appeared on the James Corden TV show with her stylist and makeup assistants in damage control mode, she said in her witness statement. Laws asked, "At no stage did you ever see Mr. Depp hit or beat Amber Heard, did you?" She replied, "I didn't see him beat or hit her." Laws put it to her, "You have lied and lied again on behalf of your friend Ms. Heard. In relation to your injuries you have seen or claimed to see." Pennington replied, "Absolutely not." Of the photograph she took, Laws asked her, "You were cataloging things for her that didn't happen. That's right, isn't it?" "That's not right," said Pennington. Earlier, Heard's sister Whitney Henriquez denied she was beaten up by her after video footage was emailed overnight to Depp's legal team by a confidential source of her allegedly showing injuries to friends on a 2006 reality TV show. Henriquez is seen in rushes, with one woman remarking, "I can't believe Amber beat your ass," and another commenting, "She really did whoop your butt." Another appeared to inspect Henriquez's cheek and arm, with Henriquez saying she was not going to talk about it. Heard has claimed she was never violent towards Depp and only hit him once in defense of her sister during a fight on their staircase of their Los Angeles penthouse. David Sherborne for Depp claimed the video showed Henriquez had lied to the court when she denied Heard had ever hit her or that she was frightened of her sister. Henriquez told the High Court the video only referenced a verbal argument between her and her sister, not a physical fight, denying she had lied to the court to support her sister's case of alleged domestic violence. Henriquez said, "I'm here because she was the victim of domestic violence, and for no other reason. I'm here to tell the truth." Sherborne said the video had been emailed on Thursday night, hours after Henriquez told the court her sister had never attacked her. He said the reliability of Henriquez was critical as the stairs incident, in which Heard's sister claimed to have witnessed Depp punching and hitting Heard, was the only occasion on which any other human being is supposed to have witnessed Depp being violent towards Heard. Sasha was QC for News Group newspaper said, "The film was an undated piece of film footage in circumstances which appear to be some sort of reality TV program, which is flippant, certainly not serious." Johnny Depp's legal team played an anonymous tipster video at his libel trial Friday aimed at proving ex-wife Amber Heard had a violent streak and once beat up her sister. The last-minute submission came in the third week of Depp's lawsuit against Britain's tabloid The Sun in London's High Court over a 2018 story accusing him of being a wife-beater. The Pirates of the Caribbean's franchise actor says the false allegation ruined his reputation and cost him lucrative Hollywood jobs. The Sun counters it can back up its claim by 14 cases of abuse against the 34-year-old model and actress in a 3-year span leading up to Heard's 2016 decision to file for divorce. Depp's lawyer, David Sherborne, interrupted planned testimony Friday and asked Judge Andrew Nicole to allow him to play what he called critical new evidence in the case. Nicole agreed despite the star-studded case running behind schedule on what was supposed to be its last day. In the High Court witness box, Depp has described a volatile relationship with Heard that descended into screaming matches which sometimes turned physical, but he has strongly denied hitting Heard and accused her of compiling a dossier of fake claims against him as an insurance policy. Depp and Heard, 34, met on the set of the 2011 comedy The Rum Diary and married in Los Angeles in February 2015. Heard, a model and actress, filed for divorce the following year and obtained a restraining order against Depp on the grounds of domestic abuse. The divorce was finalized in 2017. Depp said one of the triggering incidents for the couple's separation when a cleaner found feces in a bed at their Los Angeles penthouse the morning after Heard's 30th birthday party in April 2016. Heard claims the couple fought after the party and Depp threw a Magnum White bottle at her. He denies it. He blamed one of the couple's Yorkshire Terriers, Pistol and Boo, for the defecation incident, and Depp was convinced a person had done it.